Yo, 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 how you doing? How you doing? You saw the title. We talking about AI, y'all. So listen, I'm here doing my morning walk. If you guys don't know, got a training for a marathon in Cleveland in May. Put marathon in the chat if you want to join me. I'll put the link and details in there. So if anyone wants to join, you can. I have a team to honor my father, who we lost last January. So we're doing a marathon in Cleveland, Ohio in May. So anyway, put marathon in the chat if you're interested. Anyway, the reason I want to do this chat, or I want to do this video, guys, as I was walking, and I've been watching. I know you guys have been watching the AI news. Hopefully you've been watching. I know there's a lot of crazy stuff in the news right now, but you got to take some of it serious, right? Some of it, especially when it comes to AI. When it comes to AI, because even me, y'all, I thought AI was a joke 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Back when ChatGPT was really starting to get hot, I was like, oh, okay, it's just another search engine, right? Okay, new search engine, cool. Nah, it's way more than a new search engine, right? Now, you guys should know that. But the reason I want to do this video, and by the way, if you get any value out of this video, I know this is a different type of video. It's not straight government contracting. Hopefully it can bless you guys on just some information. When it comes to AI, and I've said this before, we are currently going through the biggest revolutionary change in like human history, right? I don't have the stats to put on the screen, but they said when the internet came out, that rocked the world. You know, when cars came out and replaced horses, that rocked the world. But AI is something 100 times more powerful. Something that's changing the world every day. There are so many, watch this, y'all, white collar jobs that are disappearing every single day. I mean, it could be data entry, it could be data management, it could be, copywriting, it could be legal. And I'm not saying it is. All these different jobs are leaving. And I ain't gonna lie to you guys, if I wasn't saying that I was scared, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's kind of scary out there. However, I've said this before, I'm gonna say it again. The ones who use AI, shout out to Alex Hormozy, shout out to Ty Lopez. They say it all the time. The people who are going to use AI will not be replaced. AI isn't replacing copywriters. AI is replacing copywriters who don't use AI. AI is replacing government contractors who don't use AI. But now, y'all, I don't do a lot of this personal feeling. I don't do a lot of this what I think is going to happen. But I'm going to tell you what AI is not replacing yet, not yet, is blue collar work. Right? What is blue collar work? People who are blue collar, people who are working with their hands, people who are, fixing cars, people who are, landscaping, HVAC, roof repair, people who are working with their hands. Now, I'm not saying Optimus from Tesla isn't going to replace these people in the next 10 years. That's a maybe. If you guys don't know, Tesla just decided recently on their quarterly meeting, they just decided that they're going to stop making the Model S. They're going to stop making the Model X. And they're going to actually repurpose the factories to just make their Optimus robots. If you didn't know that, now you know. Tesla is talking about, ramping up to millions of robots coming out a year. Now, again, this is Elon we talk about. This is the person who said the Roadster's coming out. I think we're on like 10, 12 years now on that. This is the person that said the Cybertrucks were going to be coming out so quickly, and that took years. And so I think we got a long time for the robots. But I'm here to tell y'all my honest opinion, my honest truth. You better make the money you can with AI now before it's too late. And honestly, I personally believe that government contracting, especially the middleman style, or even if you're not the middleman style, but government contracting, y'all, this is gonna be a tough, this is a crazy statement. Government contracting is gonna be one of the last ways of making money in life. I feel like it. The only reason I say that is because think about it. It's blue collar work. My last contract I got was for renting snowmobiles to the special forces in Alaska. They wanted to rent 15 snowmobiles, gas tanks, trailers, all this other stuff, right? I won that contract for $136,000 for the month of February, right? Before that, I won a contract for HVAC replacement. I won a contract for HVAC cleaning. I won a contract for chimney cleaning. I won a contract for dry cleaning. I won a contract, and now that I think about it, every contract that I've won have been for blue collar type work. Now, don't get me wrong. I am using AI, and you should be using AI to speed up your process, get your quotes, and all that stuff. You should be using AI. But at the end of the day, somebody's got to go out there and they got to actually use their hands, use their equipment, and they actually got to do the work on those sites. And if you're watching me, you're like, Wesley, I own a landscaping company. Wesley, I own a roofing company. Great. Government contracting is for you as well, because guess what? The government is the biggest spender for everything you guys can think of. Real estate, construction, landscaping, just any niche, HVAC, chimney cleaning, road construction. How you doing? Everything you can think of, the government is the biggest buyer and supplier of that niche. So here's my controversial post for the week, for the day, for how. Y'all know me, I ain't got no posting schedule. I know some of y'all probably want a posting schedule, but I ain't got no posting schedule. I just kind of post when I feel like it, because that's just who I am. But I'm here to tell you, if you want to take advantage of AI right now, and you want to still make money in AI right now, the best thing you can do is to manage and control blue collar type work. That's what I do. Blue collar work, not white collar stuff. Now again, some of you guys are probably asking, but Wesley, aren't there government contracts for white collar type things like data management, software, data migration, da-da-da-da-da? Of course there is. Of course there is. But like I said, tomorrow it might not be. AI is moving that quickly that I think the government is even realizing how fast. I think I posted a video one time. It was the forest department. And I don't remember all the details, but I know the forest department started using AI in their management of the forest, if you will. And we're talking about they saved themselves 100, 200 man hours per week because they started incorporating AI into what they do. So what does that mean? You know, the government's becoming more efficient. The government is going to need, you know, eventually maybe less work and maybe less needs, because hopefully, and I say this, yeah, hopefully our government becomes more efficient. I don't know about that, but hopefully they do. But anyway, again, y'all, if you asking Dr. West, Wesley, what should I do in 26 to make money? What should I do in 27, 28, 29, 30? I don't know, y'all. I think I got about 4 years. I think we got about 4 years until the Optimus robots really come out and can really do this stuff. I think 4 to 10 years. I say 4 to 10 years. Because honestly, you know, they always say these robots this, robots that. And then you actually look at a humanoid robot and it's walking 0.1 miles an hour and falling over. Like it's a piece of crap, right? Currently. But as they always say, robots and AI are the worst they're going to be today. tomorrow they're gonna be better. Boston Dynamics, you've seen their videos. They're gonna get better, better, and better, and better. So, you know, one day we will be replaced, but controversial post here, y'all. Make that money now and get it. If you got value out of this, y'all, do me a favor, smash that like button. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Right now, these channels are live and real, and it's still me. Probably another 12, 24 months, most YouTube is gonna be flooded with AI. Like this video that I'm doing right now, me talking to you on camera, holding my phone, like AI can do that. This is not AI. And maybe one day they'll have a disclaimer, not AI. I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna be done. But I promise y'all this, you better get to the bag now because your opportunity to make money is closing, man. This universal healthcare, universal income system is coming. There's gonna be a day that they're gonna have to, you know, give everyone a basic, you know, income to survive because robots and AI are gonna do everything. So anyway, I don't mean to wake you guys up and scare you. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just telling you what's real. And I hope you take advantage of what you got your hands on now. If you guys want to work with me anyway, check the links in my bio description. Be careful in the comments. I don't want to speak this to existence, but there's a lot of fake accounts out there on TikTok and Instagram who, you know, they fake to be me. I don't do any crypto. I don't do any Bitcoin. I will never hit you up about that stuff. I will never ask you for money about that crypto stuff. So be careful in the comments because I'm just going to prepare myself because I know those bots and those scams are coming. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.